Okay, this is it. I'm gonna attempt to fix this. I'm gonna try to record as much footage as I can. You may see the edited footage or just the uncut version of this, which is going to be very long. And I'm gonna follow the. There's a video in YouTube which uses an aluminium foil as the replacement film for the broken or the burnout screen. So I'm gonna follow that one first. I'm not gonna buy any polarizer film for now. So I'm just gonna have a feel of the repair before I'm comfortable proceeding to the multimeter and the audio impedance meter. So I'm gonna try to capture as much as footage as possible. Let me balance out the color. Okay, I hope I don't bump my camera. So yeah, so I think it's held by this daughter unit. I think can be separated. Yeah. Okay, so try to remember the location. So the VR should be down here. Okay, also as well I'm using this video as a assembly and disassembly guide. I believe these 4 screws is holding the board to the enclosure itself. Let's look at the it's been a while I look at this yeah, so that I guess is the date of production of this capacitor tester, 2003 December 23rd. So that would be the that would be that would be about right, because I bought this maybe 2004 to 2005. One around one USD, I think. They were like clearing stuff in Pasar Road. Okay, this knob need to be taken out first. This thing still available today. They have some variation changes, but more or less this number of test capacitor tester surprisingly is still for sale to this day. So yeah, those are the contact switch, and we need to be careful because those are not our concern. This is the display unit. Okay, held by 2 screw. Elastomer is on bottom and top, bit crooked there, not sure why. Okay, my concern would be is the orientation of the LCD itself. I hope to get it correct, because without any indicator on the display itself, I will be having a hard time. Okay, just like that. Okay, this is the so this is the elastomer on the left and right, uses 2. Okay, put it here. This is for the top. Okay, now my concern is which way is up or which way is down. So I'm gonna try to put this on video for my reference, of course. Okay, need to put a mark somewhere on the corner there. Let's put a red marker here. It's not leaving any mark there, so let's never mind, just I'm gonna put a mark there, so telling this should be oriented this way. Worst comes to worst, I messed this up, but not messing up the expensive tool. So we put the board aside first, focus on this. So the instruction on the YouTube tells me I need to peel off there's at least one layer or two layer of it. My retractable knife is blunt, so I'm gonna use this razor. It's quite dangerous to use this because it's been a while that I handle this kind of blade. This blade is sharp on both ends. Yeah. Okay, seems easier. Seems a breeze with a very sharp knife. So there's some adhesive. So I'm not sure whether I've got through the second layer or this is just the first layer. I think this is a mix of the first and the second layer. So this is the burnout thing which visible through the front of the I guess because of the voltage or current that is on the up and bottom area of the display. The burn is quite gradual, and the heat itself can be seen moving towards the center itself. So yeah, what we saw just now is yeah, like so. Yeah. Okay, red marker still there. So let's okay, there's a second layer there. Okay, very good. Trying to do this delicately. Let's check the camera focus. Never mind the glare, we need to see. I can understand as a viewer you want to see everything, every process, every action done. This may serve as a guide for you too, on top of aside from me. Okay, this okay. Okay, right. So I'm gonna use lighter fluid to clean the whatever adhesive at the back, while not trying to not let the adhesive goes to the front, because that's where is my marker, the marking is there. So I'm going to use some cotton ball here. So yeah. As I can understand it, we need to clean this. We have this very clean, squeaky clean, without any adhesive. Still something there. not sure whether there is a third layer to this or not. Okay, there is a third layer, so I'm not sure. From what I saw in YouTube, there's only 2 layers, so I'm not sure I'm overdoing this. Let's hope I'm not. Okay. Okay. There's another layer to it. Where's the mark? Okay. To easily do this, let's put some lighter fluid to soften the adhesive. Don't mind if I spoil this. Seems there is another layer to this, so let's expose the thing to put a bit of lighter fluid to soften the adhesive. I prefer doing that, let the adhesive become soft rather than trying to scrape through, because I don't want to scratch the LCD itself. Should have added some drama to this video, like those fake restoration video whereby I just put this capacitor tester near a dumpster or what, and then make it like I just found the thing, and perhaps get a lot of view, because restoration video is proven to be a hit because people like. So, but I kind of abandon the idea, because why do you lie? If you're good at it, then you're good at it. If you're not, people can understand. But somehow some people they find a loophole that they can manipulate to get more, to get some revenue from YouTube. So each to his own. Beginning to wonder now, what is this third layer is all about. Yeah, seems to vary. It has sound just now is my phone telling me the memory is low, so I'm not gonna care that. I'm gonna click cancel, because if I click OK, it's gonna stop the recording. I don't have a memory card in my phone, so space memory is quite low, quite precious. It's a premium. Okay, nearly there. We have taken most of the layer, except for the what's left on the middle area of the screen itself. 14 minutes already. I'm going to pause this and